Back. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, so I figured I'll do one. I just received my Galaxy Z Fold 6. Currently I'm using the Z Fold 5 and the S24 Ultra. Purpose of this video is gonna be how to transfer your data from one device to another one. So we're gonna be going from the Z Fold 5 to the Z Fold 6. Basically, I'm going to show you how to transfer data 3 different ways. The first 2 ways, I'm going to give you a quick rundown. And then the third way is going to be the actual way that I'm going to show you how to transfer your data. So first thing you want to do, come over to your laptop. Make sure you have a USB cable. In my case, mine is both Type-C because my laptop is Type-C. You can use connectors. In the past, they came with these, which is a USB-A to USB-C, or a USB-C male to female. Either will work. But the cable is easier because both phones are Type-C, so I can just plug it into both phones and transfer like that. But we're going to be transferring wirelessly. So the first thing you want to do is download an app called Smart Switch. So open that up. It's kind of bright to see because of the computer, but it says welcome to Smart Switch. So basically plug that in. I'm going to plug in my Z Fold 5. And as you see, as soon as I plug it in, the folder pops up. I'm trying to get it so you can see without the light. It says my internal storage. I have 191 gigabytes of 461 used. So the first way is manual. If you click on your storage of your phone, it'll bring up all the folders and everything that's on your phone. And basically what you'll do, transfer that to a folder on your computer and then plug in your new phone and then just transfer that folder to your new phone. But the only thing, that doesn't save your settings. I wish you can see this. Hold on, let me see if I can get it better. Yeah, okay, you can see the folders. There you go. So you would just pick whichever folders you want to transfer, put it to a new folder, or you can plug your new phone in at the same time and transfer that way. But doing it this way, don't save the settings. So go back. This is my internal storage for my Z Fold 5, as you can see at the top. And that's not the way I want to do it. The second way is with Smart Switch, bagging up your phone. So it says backup, restore. Already backed up, so I'm just gonna click restore so you can see my bag up. So over here, this will be restored from the backup that was created 8/21/2024 at 1:15 a.m. I did this last night. It took about 4 hours and everything transferred except my apps. Now you see at the bottom right here, device storage. Since I did it last night, I need 13.56 gigabytes. So if I do a backup again, it won't work. So basically you'll just click restore and then it'll transfer everything to your new phone. But that will take a long time as well. Like I said, it took me 4 hours to get that done. And then again, let me show you this. I can go in here, you see my backup right there. And there's my backup. Everything, call logs, calendars, photos, music, everything like that is on that backup. So that's one way. Again, the next way is gonna bring my Fold 5 over here. Search your apps. Sorry. Search your apps, go to settings, and then scroll down to accounts and backup. Accounts and backup, click that, and then you'll have this screen. You can click backup data, and then it'll show you everything that it can back up. Basically, it'll back this up to the Samsung Cloud. And then after you do that, you go to your new phone and click restore data. And then you click which backup you want to restore from, click it. And then what you want to restore, and then click restore, and it'll bring everything up like that. But like I said, I already restored it to my computer, and the way we're going to be showing you is from phone to phone, which is way easier. So that's that. You see this last backed up 8:19 at 10:15 p.m. So now come over to your new phone and let's get this started. So this is the Z Fold 6. Already activated it, or however you want to say it. Swipe up, search smart, and then you see smart logo. Click that, transfer your data. What should this phone do? Well, first, before you do that, go ahead and get your other phone. Start your other phone, search smart, and you should download this app. It should come installed on the phone as well. Search smart, transfer your data. What should this phone do? So this is my old phone, the Z Fold 5. My new phone, the Z Fold 6, is right here. So I'm going to click send data. I'm going to click send data, and then on my 6, I'm going to click receive. So select source. This is on the old phone. Select source. What's your old device? Galaxy Android. So this is what I told you. You can do cable to cable or wirelessly. Whichever one you like. Just because, as you see, just because my battery is at 30%, and I'm going to be charging it, I'm going to click wirelessly. So click wireless. Click wireless. Open smart on your new Galaxy to connect, and there you go. It just beeped. Allow connection to your old device. Here we go. Sorry. Connect to Johnny Z Fold 6 to transfer. My camera's tripping. Click connect. And there you go. Connected to Johnny's Z Fold 6. Searching for data to transfer. It's at 14%. So it's scanning to see what it needs to get from the other phone. All right, here we go. Select data to transfer. Says everything, just calls, contacts, and messages, or custom. So you can, if you only want to do your messages, your calendars, you can click that. But I want to do everything. It says 227.53 gigabytes, which will take about 2.5 hours. And you see this one is still searching because it want to connect. So that's what I want to do. I'm going to click next. They can't transfer the chats from WhatsApp. Okay, that's fine. Click next. Transfer accounts. Here you go. Copy Google accounts to your new device. Click copy. Gotta unlock it. Copying your accounts. And again, this is very simple. There you go. It just started. As for verification, New device, did you just sign in? Click it. Yes, it was me. Yes, it was me. Click done. This is for my pictures. So here we go. Connected. Transferring. This is on my Z Fold 5. I'm gonna click keep the screen on. That way it won't interfere with anything. And now it's transferring. I'm gonna click keep this screen on as well. So now it's transferring. It says 2 hours, 35 minutes. It's at 2%. Backing up Samsung Health. So now it's transferring all my data wirelessly. Sorry, the camera keeps moving. And yeah, so it's doing everything now. It's just transferring stuff. So 2.5 hours, I'll be back when it's almost done. Show you how to complete the process and how it looks and things of that nature. Again, I'm showing you how to transfer data from the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Any Android device to Android or Android to Apple, whatever you need. This is your solution. Finishing up, we're transferring data from the Z Fold 5 to the Z Fold 6. It's at 99.4%. It has 1 minute left. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit so you can see the finishing process. Z Fold 6 is what I'm gonna be using now. I'm transferring my data from the 5 to the 6. 99.9%. 1 minute left. Now it's transferring all the settings. And there you go. The Z Fold 5. All done. To get the most out of your new Galaxy, check out the tips on your new phone. Organizing and transferring data will let you know when that's finished. You can check the status and the notifications. In the meantime, enjoy your new phone. It says go to the home screen. So what I'm going to do is click done on here. It's done. So on the 6, it's still transferring data. So what you would do is, there you go, show you that again. Drop down, swipe to drop down, and you see it says organizing your transferred data. Click it, and then as you can see, 2 hours, 55 minutes left. I got a lot of shit, so it's gonna take a while. Basically what it's doing, the pictures, emails, the settings, the apps, all that kind of stuff, it's organizing it. So there you go. You see it started 2 hours, 54 minutes. I'm gonna go to the home screen. And then as you can see, some of the apps are grayed out. Like, let's do some main apps. Like Bank of America is gray. The gallery, you see the gallery is bold. The email is gray. You can't really see it because of the lighting. But a lot of the apps, all these are gray because they're being transferred over. So once they're transferred over, then I'm gonna have to update them, whatever needs to be updated. So that's pretty much it. All my data has been transferred over. Now it's being organized on my Z Fold 6. And like I said, it took, I think it said 2 hours or an hour and something to get it done. And now it says 2 more hours, but that's gonna go by real fast. 2 hours, 50 minutes. See, it dropped 5 minutes within that time of me talking. So that's how you transfer data from one Android to another Android using Smart Switch over Wi-Fi. And I'm gonna come back again and show you this on the laptop real quick, just so you can have this information once again. Smart Switch, download Smart Switch. It's good. It's good to have. It's good to have. I usually back up my phone every couple months because I have a lot of pictures. I get a lot of pictures. I'm gonna connect this and show you this again. Just connected to 5. So, oh, it says this folder is empty. What is that? Could it be because I transferred? Oh, there we go. The phone was locked. All right, here we go. Excuse me again. There's my data. Once again, you can do it manually, or Smart Switch. Smart Switch is the best way. It's connecting. Your phone has to be unlocked for it to go. Connecting, taking a while. If it does that, just unplug and replug it in. And like I said, Smart Switch is the best way because it backs up all your information to your computer, so you don't have to worry about nothing. And again, all you would do is click back up, and then it's going to take a while. It'll transfer all your information from your phone to your computer. And then once you get a new phone, or if you lose something, whatever, you just come back and click restore, and then it'll let you pick which backup you want to restore from. If you don't select one, it's just going to go to the last restore you did. But I have all my information on my computer. I don't have to worry about nothing. So I just showed you how to transfer data from one Android to another, the Z Fold 5 to the Z Fold 6. And here we go. It says 2 hours, 24 minutes left to transfer all that data. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.